All right, now the next thing that we're going to do here is we're going to actually do what we call a chlorine test. We're going to actually take ordinary tap water and determine whether or not there's chlorine, and we're going to do the same thing with our Kangen water. So over here in this picture is tap water. Okay? And over here we're going to take our Kangen water, the 9.5 drinking water. And then what we're going to do is we're going to actually take this chlorine testing solution and we're going to put 4 drops of this solution in each of these waters. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, we're going to give this thing a nice little stir here. And here. Now over here on the bottom of our chart is our chlorine indicator. And what you're looking for is you want a clear color because you don't want chlorine in your water. We're going to come back and talk about that. And as you can see in the tap water here, it's a bright yellow indicating that there is a fair amount of chlorine in this water. And as we are on this subject, I want you guys to think about what do we do as an example when we take a shower or a bath. 10, 15-minute shower or bath, what's happening there is that's the equivalent of drinking 8 tall glasses of this water. I mean, if you think about it as you're bathing, you're opening up the pores of the largest organ in your body, that being the skin, and what happens over the course of that 10, 15-minute shower or the bath is the fact that you're actually absorbing anywhere from 8 to 10 glasses of this water in your skin. Now, on that note also, think about what do we do when we bring vegetables home. We bring our vegetables home, and what we want to do is we want to wash them. We want to get rid of all the herbicides and the pesticides and the insecticides. Well, let me take you through a quick little demonstration so you can see actually what we're doing. This is an onion right here. What we're going to do is we're going to peel this onion and just pretend that we're actually preparing it for either a salad or, say, an omelet. And we're going to cut this onion up here. And we're going to actually put it, and keep in mind, remember the color of this water. Remember that yellow color. So here we go. We're washing our onion, right? And again, the reason we want to wash it, we want to take the sting out of there, and we want to remove the herbicides and the pesticides. And keep in mind, that onion was in that water for a few seconds only. Now watch what happens here. Remember that yellow color? Well, let me ask you this. What happened to the chlorine? I mean, if you really think about it, we didn't clean the onion, we actually cleaned the water. All that chlorine that was in this water is now absorbed in this onion. Okay? And this applies for any produce, be it, fruits or vegetables. So this is something that you want to stay away from. Now, I was in the swimming pool business for 7 years. I'm very familiar with chlorine, and chlorine is something that you do not want in your tap water to bathe with or to wash produce with, let alone to drink with. Okay?